Okay, start na po tayo ng second quarter. Score po ulit natin, it's 8-7 in favor of Red Knights Goalers. Akbo for 3. Yes, sir! Ice on his veins. Kanina pa kumakana ng 3 si Akbo. Tabliso, nahihilo, pasa kay Ventura. Siyempre ang main man ng Red Knights. Ventura pa rin. Ventura pa rin. Pinasa kay 24 for 3. No good. Oops. Out of bounds. Same ball or black ball? Okay, it's black ball. Okay, sorry, red ball. Red ball. Shot clock 14. 14 shot clock. Pinasa kay Ventura. The main man. Number 24. Pasa kay Ventura. Pasa sa 17. Up! 3 seconds violation. Mga hindi sanay. Okay, Pau pinasa kay Akbo. 9 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Sales. Aba, matindi si Sales. Traveling. Nice block by Red Knights. Good defense by Red Knights bowlers. Tabliso. Nagtsada na ng bola. Pasa kay Tolentino. Tabliso again. Panalunin mo yan, Tabliso, sa'yo ng aking creatine. Hey, 3 by Gabriel. Number 9. Ay, hindi, number 1. Pau, from crossover. Domingo, pasa kay Akbo. Kay Sales for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Tabliso. Pinush ni Tabliso. Ventura. Pasaya Bill. Ganda. Ayan. Foul by number 22. Sales. First personal foul. First team foul. Idol kita, JC eh. Gabriel, 1 point. 12-10 in favor of Red Knights. Pau, dadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Akbo. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by, it's out of bounds. Same ball, block. Takbong Poki. Time remaining 7 minutes 38 seconds.
Meron naman po
14 seconds on the shot clock. Pau. Pinasa kay Sales. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Tabliso. Ventura. Oh, block by Sales. Beautiful block. Tolentino. Teka lang, injury, may tatamaan. Sub. Shot clock po natin, 9 seconds. Oh, mga papa. Okay. 8 seconds remaining. Tolentino. Driving to the baseline. Tolentino, pinasa kay Mendoza. Hindi tumama, 24 second violation. Hindi tumama sa ring. Black ball. 12-10 ang score po natin. 6 minutes, 52 seconds. Akbo. Pinasa kay number 9, Akbo for 3. No good. Out of bounds. It's red ball.
Substitution sa Red Knights, Barreto. And pasok na naman ang ating wingman, Ventura. Pasok na, substitution, by Brent. Liso. 21. Nice steal by Bosquelo. Oh, steal ulit kay Barreto. 3-9. No good. Rebound by Bosquelo. Grabe naman yung steal. Wala, butiki. Oops! Masakit yun ah. Baga ang pinagpasa.
Bren. Push by Bren. Steal. Oops. Oops. Tabiso or steal. Ventura. Well, yes sir. 2 points for Ventura. Domingo. Akbo. Bren. Out of bounds by Bren.
Nice D by Red Knights. Nice D. Substitution kay Gabriel. By Gabriel pa rin. Number 9. Substitution also sa Takbong Pogi, Bosquelo, Akbuin. Barreto, pinasa kay Tabliso. Ventura, out of bounds. Black ball. Oh, dyan kasi, di namin makita.
Akbo. Dadalang bola for 3. Wide open. Yes sir. 43. Wag na wag niyang lumanan si Akbo. At hand yan. Kanina pa 3 ng 3. Tabliso. Pinasa kay Ventura. Drive. Oy, ang gandang pasa. Wala. Ventura. Rebound. De los Reyes rebound. Bren. Pushing. Pinasa. Wala. Steal by Gabriel. Ay, Tabliso. 69. Nadalang bola. Behind the back. Pass kay Ventura. Oops. Wala. Rebound by Akbo. Pinupush. Pinupush. Uy! Grabe naman! Highlight reel by Akbo. Sarap. Ganun ako nung aking kabataan. Wow! Ventura, pinasa kay Gabriel. Snake, push. Oops! Dayu, for rebound. Foul. Foul by number 23, Akbo. 23, first personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock 14. Ventura. Oops. Pass sa loob. Same ball. Shot clock 14 seconds. Ay, 11. Okay, Tabliso. Ang aking gym body. Pinasa kay 69. Block by De Los Reyes. 5 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Oy, Tabliso. Easy lang. Mukha kang nakasyabu.
Hoy! Ayaw!
Oops, steal by Akbo. Diretso lang Akbo. 4 versus 1. Ay! No good. Oy! Akbo, rebound. Oops! It's red. Ball. Nice defense by Tabliso. Game clock po natin. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. 15-14 in favor of Takbong Pogi.
Pasa kay Ventura for 3. Yes sir, back shot 3 by Ventura. Okay, Akbo.
Nice pass! Ang ganda! To De Los Reyes, 31.
Reverse, layup. It's tabla na po. 17 all. Ventura for 3 again. Wala. Long rebound by Castillo. Nice save. Pat nakuha ng takbong pogi.
Pumupush! Pumupush! Pinasa kay D. Oh my God! D. Oh! Akbo! Jump shot! No good! Rebound by D. Oh! Oh! Diving D. Yes sir! Akbo for 3. No good! Rebound kay D. Ang lakas talaga! Pero walang pumapasok. Out of bounds by Red Knights. 2 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Grabe talaga si B. Yeah, tama. De Los Reyes! Wala! Oy, long rebound by Akbo. Still by Bren. Pasa kay De Los Reyes. It's blocked by 77. Nice D. Alright, ang ganda ng laban. Akbo for 3. No good. Rebound by Gabriel.
Tabliso. Kinasa kay Wemby. Wemby. Crossover. Foul. Foul number 20. Wala. Nasa baba. Walang hindi N1. 20 first personal foul, 13 foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Time po natin 1 minute 32 seconds. Ventura, no good. Kanya pa rin ang rebound. 2 points by Ventura. Score 19-17. Okay, Akbo. To De Los Reyes. D. Victor Z. Akbo. Jump shot. Yes, sir. Hot hand si Akbo. 19 all. Castillo. Ventura. Cross. Uy, spin move yun. Sarap. Ventura rebound. Wala. Akbo. Steal. Grabe naman yung si Akbo. Sayang. Rebound by Tabliso. Tabliso pupush. Up. Okay, out of bounds. Timeout. Takbong Pogi. Game clock remaining 34.4 seconds. Score po natin 19 all. Ang ganda ng laban.
No, 8-1.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. 34 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Wow. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Crossover, pinasa kay Velez. Spin move. Again kay Pau for 3. No good. Out of bounds. 12 seconds remaining. Okay. Offensive foul by Rayu Barreto. Okay, timeout sa takbong Pogi. 5
seconds remaining. Score 19 all. First personal foul by Barreto. Okay, first team foul. Number 16 offensive foul.
Laro kayo? Commissioner.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ganda ng laban.